Hey everybody, it's Mel with We Can Code It, and I have exciting news. At We Can Code It in 2025, we are launching a game-changing pre-apprenticeship model that directly integrates real-world problems from businesses or nonprofit organizations into our bootcamp programs. And here's how it works. So we partner with nonprofits or businesses to gather real problems and projects that they need help with. Then we bring those problems and projects into the bootcamp, and the students solve those problems with help from an experienced instructor. So their learning isn't just theory at that point, it is hands-on experience. So our students apply their knowledge in their coding knowledge or their data analytics and machine learning, or even cybersecurity knowledge, along with their problem-solving skills to these client challenges while they are learning. Pretty cool, huh? So not only do students gain the technical expertise they need, they also are helping their community and working on actual projects that they can put on their resumes as they're building this portfolio of actual work. How cool is that? They should be more than ready at the end of the day for their tech careers. And that's how We Can Code It is changing the game of tech education. If you are a company or a nonprofit that has a problem, feel free to reach out to me by direct message or contact me at wecancodeit.org. I hope to hear from you soon.